What up guys, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the third brake light on this 2022 Mercedes EQS. So this is the new electric car from Mercedes-Benz, and what you gotta do to remove this third brake light, it will be pull this one back this way, and you're gonna pop the little cover that goes here, which is this one right here. Then you're gonna use this tool and you're gonna look for this little thing right here. So you're gonna put the tool in there and pull out this way until it look like this. Same thing on the other side. And then this one here, it just has a little clip that you just push in and pull out the plug, and that's it. So that's the third brake light removal for a 22 Mercedes-Benz EQS. Thank you for watching.